The Kurdish people have struggled valiantly for freedom and justice. They have faced and overcome terrible repression and violence. Their struggle is truly inspiring, as are their achievements in the face of extreme adversity. For me personally, it has been an enormous privilege to be able to participate, even if very slightly, in these remarkable efforts. Very recently, by giving an inaugural lecture at the University of Rojava, only a few years ago, that would have seemed unimaginable. And it should teach us that the human spirit can not only imagine, but also can achieve. That is a lesson that Kurdish resistance and accomplishment has seared into our consciousness. Surely there is more to come. It will be no less inspiring. It will be no less significant in influencing the shape of future history. Nevroz, Piroz, Bey.